For those of you who have been paying attention to the research we've been doing here at WAM Engineering on optimizing the cartridge alignment on the head shell, you'll know that we tend to introduce really severe corrections to the cartridge on the SRA and VTA angles. And to do that, we use corrective shims between the cartridge and the head shell to introduce what is usually needed to be over a 3-degree angle to the cartridge to get the VTA and the SRA down. Well, a number of you have asked, well, isn't it a problem to put a material between the cartridge and the head shell? I don't want anything between there. I want the cartridge to be in intimate contact with the head shell. And my response is, well, yeah, that is the right thing to do. Ideally, you would not put any material between the cartridge and the head shell. You know, I've talked in the past, and I'll certainly be talking about it more in the future, about the importance of rigidity in the cartridge tone arm system. Anytime you add an additional body component in a system of multiple components, you are reducing rigidity. So by introducing this one part, as rigid as it might be, especially the milled brass one, between the cartridge and the head shell, you've added another body, another joint, and therefore an opportunity to reduce rigidity. And with as important as rigidity is, and it's of primary importance, why would we do that? Well, you have to ask, on balance, is the benefit that's offered to us by making that correction to the head shell that the tone arm cannot and we would not want it to do, does that significantly outweigh any detriment that would be caused by adding a material between the cartridge and head shell? And in every case I've heard so far from our clients, the answer is definitely yes. They want that corrective head shell. I can't think of any situation right now where we have introduced more than 2 degrees, 1.5 degrees even, where a client felt that it sounded better without the corrective shim. There's your WAM Engineering soundbite for the week. More to come.